Picture this. It's midnight and someone's scrolling TikTok in bed. Video after video goes by until one stops them. A guy sitting in his car talking about how bad his posture's gotten from working at a desk all day. He pauses, stumbles over a word, feels completely real, and then casually recommends a back brace that fixed it. That viewer clicks the link and buys. Here's the crazy part. That guy doesn't actually exist. The face is AI. The voice is AI, but the viewer never questioned it because it felt real. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to build a hyper-realistic AI spokesperson like this, and why dialing in your audio is the real key to making ads that convert. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker. Now, by the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly how to use Creatify alongside ElevenLabs together to mass produce your own digital influencers. You'll learn how to write a script that sounds completely human, how to generate flawed conversational audio, and how to map that audio into a realistic avatar to build high converting, user-generated content without ever hiring an actor. The landscape, the secret of the uncanny valley. Now, before we start clicking buttons and building avatars, we have to talk about why most AI videos look incredibly fake. Have you ever wondered why you can instantly spot a bad AI advertisement within like 2 seconds of it playing? People always blame the graphics. They say the eyes look weird or the mouth movements are slightly off. They talk about a concept called the uncanny valley, which is that creepy feeling you get when something looks almost human, but not quite right. But the hard truth is that the visual graphics are only half of the equation. Actually, they're less than half. The real reason your brain rejects an AI video is almost always the audio. Real humans don't talk perfectly. We're messy. We take weird breaths. We pause to think. We say and like constantly. We change our pitch depending on how excited we are. If you want to create a fake UGC spokesperson that actually sells physical products on social media, you have to stop trying to be perfect. Perfection is the enemy of authenticity. You have to actively engineer flaws into your video. So let's break down the exact workflow that pulls off this illusion step by step. Step 1, the flawed script writer. The goal. So our absolute first goal is to fix the script. We need a foundation of words that forces the AI avatar inside Creatify to speak like a normal, slightly caffeinated human having a casual conversation. The action. If you want realistic audio, you have to completely change the way you write. You can't just copy and paste the product description from your Shopify store and expect it to sound natural. Most people approach this the wrong way. They open up a tool like ChatGPT, type in a clean prompt, and get back a perfectly structured paragraph. It usually sounds something like this. Are you suffering from lower back pain? Introducing the new posture corrector. It's technically correct. It's clean, it's polished, but it sounds nothing like a real human being. So with Creatify, you're no longer writing a script just for text. You're writing a script that directly controls the voice delivery, pacing, and emotional performance of the avatar itself. That means breaking sentences apart, using filler words, adding hesitation, writing like you actually talk. Instead of writing something clean and corporate, you want something like, listen, I literally couldn't even sit at my desk yesterday. My back was like completely shot. Notice what's happening here? The ellipsis forces a pause. The commas break up the rhythm. The filler words make it feel unscripted. And inside Creatify, those small details actually translate into more natural pacing, more realistic voice delivery, and more believable avatar movement. You're not scripting a script anymore. You're directing a performance. The warning. Now, a massive mistake I see people making is writing one long, continuous block of text with no structure. When you do that, the AI tries to deliver everything in one smooth, uninterrupted flow. It sounds rushed, sounds robotic, sounds fake. Before you ever hit generate inside Creatify, read your script out loud. Pay attention to where you naturally pause. Insert commas, dashes, or breaks exactly where you breathe. You're feeding the system the rhythm you want it to perform. Step 2, the Creatify voice and performance layer. The goal. So we have our messy, human-sounding script. Now we need to shape how the avatar actually delivers that script. So here's where the workflow changes. Inside Creatify, you're not just picking a voice in isolation. You're selecting a full avatar avatar system that includes both voice and visual performance together. Creatify gives you access to over 1,500 avatars, each with natural speech, facial expressions, and movement built in. That means the voice is tied to the avatar. The delivery is influenced by your script. The performance is generated as one system. So you just need to choose the right type of performer. You want to ignore news anchor voices, corporate presenters, overly polished spokesperson types, and instead look for conversational, casual, social media style avatars. Step 3, the avatar selection and visual match, the goal. So now we need to match the human sounding performance with a visual that actually feels native to the platform. So to go ahead and get all of this started, we'll go ahead and click on avatar video right here. Now this uses the Aurora model, which is Creatify's latest and greatest model for generating realistic looking avatars. So let's go ahead and select from the avatar library here. Now we've got a bunch of different filters over here on the left hand side that we can choose from, but as you can see right here, they have over 1,500 plus. So I feel like these types of videos in the car do really well on TikTok, Instagram, even YouTube Shorts. So let's click on car here, and then now we're only gonna see avatars sitting in their car. All right, now this guy looks a normal person who you would see. So I think we're gonna start with him and we'll select use this avatar. Now we've worked out our script, so I'll go ahead and paste that in right now. And you can go ahead and pause the video here and read the script so you can sort of see the vibe that we're going for here. All right, so here we are, we've got his voice over here. We've got Stefan inside a car. Now, what we can do is we can come in here and change to a different voice, but let's go ahead and just hear how he sounds.
Hello and welcome. Thank you for choosing Creatify.ai. This is my voice and how I sound. Allow me to deliver your message using my unique tone to your audience.
Sweet, and as you can see, we are currently using ElevenLabs V3, which is their newest and latest model. So definitely make sure you have that turned on for the best results here. Now, if you wanted to go find a different voice, you can go ahead and do so.
Hello and welcome. Thank you for choosing
Hello, welcome. Thank you for choosing Creatify.ai. This is my voice and how I sound.
Hello and welcome. Thank you for choosing Creatify.ai.
Hello and welcome.
All right, now that we've got our voice, we've got our avatar, we've got our script, let's go ahead and generate this video so we can see how it turns out.
I literally cannot believe I used to sit at my desk in agonizing pain every single day before I found this. Like, I'm not even exaggerating. My back was completely shot last week. I started wearing this back brace while I work, and it just kind of forces you to sit straight without thinking about it. It's actually helped way more than I expected. I'll link it if you want to check it out.
The same rule applies here with the script. Perfection kills realism. You don't want studio lighting, perfect posture, clean corporate environments. You want car selfie angle, a hoodie, slightly messy background. And this is exactly what Creatify's avatars are designed to do. They lip sync at a high frame rate, match facial expressions to tone, react to emotional cues in your script. So when your script pauses, the avatar pauses. When your tone shifts, the face shifts. When your energy changes, the body language adjusts. That's just what creates the illusion. The warning: a massive trap that people fall into here is mismatching the vibe. If your script sounds like a casual 25-year-old talking to their phone, but your avatar looks like a corporate spokesperson in a studio, then the illusion breaks instantly. Everything has to align. Script tone, voice delivery, avatar appearance, environment. Even a small mismatch will trigger the viewer's brain. So we're starting to see a shift in how brands approach UGC. Instead of relying solely on creators to produce every variation, more of that process is moving toward faster, more scalable workflows. You do not have to deal with missed deadlines or bad lighting anymore. By taking the time to write a messy human script, generating flawed audio, and mapping it to a casual avatar in Creatify, you take total control over your marketing pipeline. You can build 50 different digital influencers this weekend. You can test completely different voices and completely different hooks without ever picking up a camera. If you want to start building your own realistic AI spokesperson, then we've got links to Creatify down in the description below. This will give you 10 free credits to go ahead and try out the platform for yourself. Definitely go test it out. That's where this really starts to click. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video. All right, let's go ahead and check out how this looks.